The Nature Discovery Centre in Thatcham is a fantastic day out for the whole family. Open all year round, you can explore all that there is to see and do, and best of all, it is free entry and free parking. The Nature Discovery Centre is where children can let off some steam on the many different adventure playground apparatus. There is plenty of fun playtime to be had for all ages, all in a natural and safe environment. Around the centre there are some great paths and tracks to walk or cycle on, the routes of which are indicated on helpful posts, so you can choose which level of ability is best suited to you. This is also a great location to bring your dog, as those on leads are made very welcome. Children in particular love to learn and be mini wildlife rangers. The Discovery Centre has an area where they can learn more about the insects and pond life, as well as other areas for exploring the other wildlife. Plus, not forgetting to feed the birds, who always seem to have an appetite. If you are in need of refreshment, then the Lakeside Cafe serves delicious hot and cold food, with lots of locally sourced produce available. Inside the centre there is also a shop with a great range of gifts to spend that pocket money, with everything from books to cuddly toys and games. Next to the shop is a fabulous area, which is not only enjoyable but educational. Puzzles, brass rubbings, ID charts, interpretation of the countryside through to a giant fish tank. Learning has never been so much fun. The centre also has a learning studio, which is ideal for groups of all ages. The Nature Discovery Centre in Thatcham is a place of real beauty, where you can be at one with nature. Come and visit us and even join us for the many events programmes throughout the year, with everything from bugs, reptiles, birds of prey through to bushcraft and recycling. There really is something for everyone. For more information, contact 01635 874 381.